Hey everybody, it's Travis from Ascentra, and I'm here to help you get the most out of your digital banking. Today I'm going to show you all the amazing features contained in our Financial Tools section. So let's get started. Financial Tools allows you to budget and manage your finances by aggregating all your accounts across multiple financials so you can see balances and transactions all in one place. Link your credit cards, loans, checking, and savings accounts from other financial institutions once, and Financial Tools does all the work. It will automatically update the data regularly so you always see accurate balances and recent transactions. After you link accounts, they appear in a linked accounts group at the bottom of the home page, providing a full financial picture. You can reorder and group accounts as necessary or hide them altogether from the home page. To start the process of adding an externally owned account within Financial Tools, click either of the link account options on the home page, here or here. Then search for the financial institution or entity that holds the account you wish to link. When it finds a match, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials for that external account's online banking application. Depending on the level of security for those external accounts, you may be required to fulfill additional security requirements to obtain access. Once you log in, Financial Tools will start to fetch your accounts and account history. After they are obtained, you can select which accounts to show and which accounts to hide on your home screen. This is where Financial Tools really starts to work for you, by providing interactive and visual representations of your financial data. You can track your spending, budget, trends, cash flow, net worth, and debt. We'll look at each of these options and the information it contains. The first is spending. The spending widget shows you how you're spending your money over a period of time. Transactions are categorized based on the same categories used in the budget widget, but show the percentage of each category as compared to the total. This widget allows you to take a closer look at spending and income. You can see the categories that make up either side of the widget, as well as the individual transactions that make up a particular category. Next up is budget. Users can use the budget widget to create categories of expected spending and track progress toward those categories each month. You can create budgets from scratch, or you can ask Financial Tools to auto-generate your budgets based on your account history. Once the budget is created, you can see if your spending is under budget, which is indicated by the green bubbles, or over budget, which is indicated by the red bubbles. If you're getting close to your budget limit, the bubbles will be yellow. If the bubbles don't give you the information you need, you can view your budgets in a graph view, which will also show you how close you are to budget. The size of the bubbles represents the relative amounts allocated to each category of spending. The larger the bubble, the greater the budget for that category. The colors of the rings within the bubble relate to the subcategories within the main category. Next is Trends. The Trends widget builds even further on your budgeting categories to help track spending over time as compared to income. If you hover over a particular segment of the graph, you can see the total amount spent or received in that particular category for the previous 6 months. You can also click into a particular category to see the transactions that made up the total spent or received in a particular month. Moving along, we see Cash Flow. Cash Flow takes a look at your cash from the past, present, and future. You can see all your income and expenses on a given day, including future predictions of deposits or withdrawals, and know ahead of time if you'll be able to afford that big purchase you've been hoping for. Next is Net Worth. Now this might look a little scary depending on your financial situation, but remember that this includes all your outstanding debts like mortgage and car loans. If you utilize Financial Tools, this will start to look much better in no time. The Net Worth widget displays the total value of all internally held and aggregated accounts to view their net worth over time. This widget allows you to look at your net worth, which is your total financial assets minus your liabilities and any changes in that worth over the last 6 months, 9 months, or a year. If you click on a dot that indicates a particular month, you can see how your net worth changed from the previous month. You can also look at the list of your gains and losses within the month. And finally, we have debts. The Debt widget allows you to see all of your debt in one place and to calculate how making additional payments can impact that debt over time. Modifying the payment approach will relist the accounts in the order of priority or focus for that specific approach, whether it be the highest percentage or the smallest balance. If you click a particular account, you can edit the payment details like those for minimum payment amount and the annual rate so that you can forecast when the debt will be paid off. I hope this helps you understand and make better use of the financial tools within Ascentra's digital banking. We'll see you next time.